Today's top news: amidst growing concerns over President Trump's health, Vice President JD Vance has declared he's ready to take over the presidency if a terrible tragedy occurs. In just 200 days of on-the-job training, he says, he's prepared, and he still affirms Trump is in incredibly good health. What does this politically charged confidence mean for global markets? Vance's comments come amid swirling speculation about Trump's ability to govern. Recent bruises, chronic vein diagnosis, and rumors of decline. Yet in the same breath, Vance echoes Trump's resilience, painting him as energetic and sharp, even calling him the hardest working person in the room. When stable political leadership is questioned, markets move. Financial risk intensifies. Investors price in uncertainty. Who leads, not just who wins, can reshape global trade, economic policy, and stability. Let's dive in. In scenarios of political turnover, global markets, including currency pairs, geopolitical risk premiums, and safe haven flows, react instantly. Even if Trump remains healthy, talking about succession sparks volatility reflexes. Past cycles show capital fleeing emerging markets when U.S. political uncertainty mounts, driving up the demand for the dollar and U.S. treasuries. If Vance's readiness becomes perceived as necessity, dollar strength could intensify, squeezing EM currencies and borrowing costs. Investor sentiment is fragile. A shift in administration, or even whispers of it, can trigger realignment in policy expectations, tariffs, regulation, war footing. Sectors like defense, energy, and logistics could see plays. How to protect your portfolio? For global-facing investors, the strategic playbook is simple. 1. Pause major bets during heightened uncertainty. 2. Hold or scale into U.S. treasuries as liquidity bunkers. 3. Watch FX and premium expansion in EM currencies. 4. Favor sectors that benefit from defensive macro postures, like energy, infrastructure, and security. When market signals come, clear policy guidance, transparency in leadership transitions, or reassertion of trade posture, it's time to re-enter emerging markets and cyclical sectors. JD Vance's readiness to step up is not just political theater, it's a signal to global investors. Watch leadership continuity closely. In geopolitics, perception can shake markets as much as policy. Here's the bottom line: leadership transitions matter, not only for policies, but for confidence. Markets value certainty above all. If you stay informed, stay calm, and stay strategic, you can transform political turbulence into opportunity.